ipapakita namin sa inyo kung anong meron dito sa park.
Look at the view, yay!
Yeah, okay. Hey guys, tara ikot tayo dito sa park.
One eternity later.
It's our left entrance. This way, please.
May ikutan.
Wala ikutan, Bi.
Meron.
See?
See.
Yeah, we just arrived. We are.
Hello guys, so these are the rooms na pwede to overnight stay dito sa Cabanico El Mari. This is the Layag 4. As you can see, very green yung paligid. Very nature friendly and very nice lang place. Here is the Layag 5 room. So we can't enter inside kasi may may tao na sa loob. We will just feature the place and feature the beauty of the lady here. Our guest for today.
Our guest for today is no other than.
So, ito yung yung sala. Sala outside. The place is so cozy. Punta pa tayo sa ibang rooms. My God, sobrang init. I cannot. Dito din, may mga rooms pa din sila dito. They have a lot of rooms for overnight stay. And tada! Napakalawak ng space. Pwede kayong pwede kayong mag-soccer. Wow! Napakainit sobra.
Nasa may parang bridge. Victoria, tas
Victorial? Okay.
Kada ng yan pang camera na to. Laka na ng chong ko.
It's so mainit.
Ay, ganda na flowers.
Hello, madam. How are you today?
I'm so okay.
Ay. Something. Yeah, super nice here.
Pag madili, pwede mo siyang paliwanan.
Oh. There are my banana boat.
Asan yung talo?
There are. Wow, model of the century. Century tuna.
Ako ang bukto ng ako.
Behind the scene. Yay. Wow.
1, 2.
Model sa skin white. Oh, oh. Tabi-tabi po. Wow. Ganda. Perfect for bikini pictures. Here. Hello guys, dito tayo ngayon sa pool area. As you can see, may two sides ng pool. Here and there. You have also the beach area. Sobrang init. Kailangan ko ng ice.
It's so weak.
Gani. Nagulat to, diba?
Ganito na lang ako mag-live.